Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can get Steam on your school Chromebook. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important information. So let's get on it. So we all know that one of the biggest knocks against Chromebooks is that they are no good for gaming. But there are actually 20 Chromebook models officially supported for Steam on Chrome OS. So these are the list of those Chromebook models. So you can go ahead and check if your Chromebook is or Chromebook belong to this list right here. And if it's so, open the settings menu, or if you have one of these Chromebooks, you can access the beta quality version of Steam on the Chrome OS. So you'll have to switch to beta channel, which is a snap to do. So after that, you can now open the settings menu on your Chromebook and search for the channels on the top of the window and click on the channels and select the beta. So the Chromebook will start to download the beta version of Chrome OS, and once the update is downloaded and installed, you'll then need to restart the Chromebook and it will be in a beta channel. So or it is the Chrome OS 108 or later. So if you are now and if you've already done that, you are now just two steps away from getting the Steam downloaded to your Chromebook. So after doing so, you can then open a browser window and navigate to the Chrome to this link right here, a Chrome, then slash slugs, then search for this right here and set it to enabled and open the Chrome OS launcher. Open the Chrome OS launcher, you should click the button in the lower left corner of the screen and search for the Steam and select the app when it appears in the results. And you'll just need then to follow the setup process to install the Steam and sign in into your account. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.